Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to go through a Helix tutorial on setting up a stereo amp preset, so getting one amp on the left channel and then the other amp on the right channel, so we get that true stereo separation. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump straight into HX Edit. You can get this from the Line 6 website if you haven't downloaded it yet. So we're going to start with a clean path, clean preset here. So path 1, we're going to add in our first amp, which will be a AC15. Where's my AC15 gone to? There we go. Second amp, we're going to add in a Fender Princeton. They're my two favorite amps. I'm going to drag them into parallel paths. So the split is going to go before the amps. Now for the AC15, I like to use Tone Junkie's impulse responses or IRs. You can get them from his website, link down below. So we're going to use the 1024 so that we've got enough DSP to run both. Let's say I'm going to go El Nico Silver for this one. For the Princeton, we're going to use the C12. Here we go. Now on the merge, it's very important. This is crucial. We need to make sure that we pan A hard left and pan B hard right. So what that's doing is ensuring that the AC15 is only going to the left channel and the Princeton is only going to the right channel. Alright, so now when we listen to this, we all should hear both amps separated, so make sure you've got stereo speakers or headphones so you can tell the difference. Okay, here we go. So hopefully you can hear the difference between the left and right channel there of the two amps. Now to sort of emphasize that, what I'm going to do is maybe I'll just take the Princeton and I'm going to just turn that all the way down, and now you should only hear the AC15 on the left channel. Alright, so now what we're going to do is do the opposite. So we're going to turn the Princeton back up and we're going to turn the AC15 all the way down. Now you should only hear the Princeton on the right channel. Alright, so that's basically how we would do that. Simple. Now for HX Stomp users, you'll probably be doing this sort of setup because you only have one path to work with. But if you're a Helix user and you need to be able to use both paths, we can simply just pull the IRs to path 2. So like this, drag them down, one after the other, and put them in parallel path and merge now. So up here, we have to now go to path 2A. So this remains split. Now it's very important on this split that we continue the separation of the amps, so hard left, hard right, so making sure we don't accidentally send a blended signal to both IRs because it sounds quite muddy when you do that. Nothing wrong with it, but you know, for this particular tutorial the whole point is to separate both amps completely to the left and right. Alright, on the merge, once again very important that we remember to hard pan left and right. So now, technically speaking, we should get exactly the same sound that we had before. Okay, so all we're doing now is sending the split signal left and right, keeping them separated to the IRs, and even when we merge, keeping them separated. So as a side note, everything after your IRs should be stereo. Otherwise, you're gonna blend. You know, if you want to maintain the true stereo patch, you need to have stereo blocks afterwards. Otherwise, you're gonna merge your blend your signals and get a mono output, sum to mono. Okay, so now what about if you're using stock cabs? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I'm going to show you right now. Let's get rid of the IRs. Now, HX Stomp users, once again, you can do the stock cab here. So what you need to do actually is put it after the merge, because the beauty of the stock cabs is that you have a dual cab. So I can go down here, select dual, and so what was it that I was using? Let's just use the Bluebell and the actually no, I was using a Silverbell, right? So we use a Silverbell on the left, and then on the right we were using a 1x12 Princess will do the job. Alright, so now what's going on here is because we're hard pan left and right, we're going to send the left channel to only the left cab, which is the AC15 is only going to go to the Silverbell, and the hard right here, that's only going to go to the Princeton 1x12, right? So then you're going to get this sort of sound with the stock cabs. Alright, so now similarly, if I were to pull that down into the path 2B for a lot of Helix users, it's the same thing. You just got to drag that over here. So the cab block, dual cab block, goes to this path here. It's still going to take in the hard left and hard right from the signal and send it through stereo. So you're going to get the same sound again. Oh, that was it. So hopefully that's useful to you. In my next video, I'm going to go through my full WGT patch and talk through my entire setup and all my blocks and effects and how I set up my snapshots. And that'll be available for free download and all that wonderful stuff that people do online. So hope that was a blessing. See you guys next time. Catch you later.